Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are fit and fine. Me also fine. So, my dear students, welcome back to our Maths online class. Today, I am going to teach you revision in words 71 to 80. Date is 24 of Jan, first month, year 2022. Day is Monday. Lecture number 110. Now we will start 71. SEVENTY 70 ONE 72. SEVENTY 70 TWO 73. SEVENTY 70 THREE 74. SEVENTY 70 FOR 73. The spelling of 75 is SEVENTY 70 FIB 76. SEVENTY 70 SIX 77. SEVENTY 70 SCVN 78. Spelling of 78 is SEVENTY 70 EIGST 8 79. SEVENTY 70 NINE 9. Spelling of 80 is EIGSTY 80. Revision addition sum 62 plus 3 answer is 65. How it will come? We will draw 2 lines upside and 3 lines downside. If we will count these lines together, answer will get 5. 6 up and downside is given here is not given any number, so as it is you have to write 6 like this. 22 plus 31 answer is 53. You can count on the finger like this: 1 2 1 3. Next 1 2 3 5. Next number is 9 plus 4 answer will get 13. 8 plus 8 answer will get 16. Both methods you have to do the sum by count on the fingers or by draw the lines. Practice at home these in your homework. So my dear students, hope you are watching the videos and complete your work regularly. If you are not completed, please complete it fast because next month you have to submit your notebooks. So you have to complete all the works in all subjects. Meet you soon next video. Till then, take care all of you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.